Looking at our current conditions, 62 is our temperature and the winds from the west at 7 miles per hour. The winds, excuse me, from the west basically determined that our temperature didn't change much today. And taking a look at that a little bit further, the jet stream with the air high up above shows us coming down from Canada, colder air, but what impacted Illinois was a zonal system of air coming forward, and we stayed pretty much, as you see, in the green, and that will not always be the case this weekend, though it changes. Look at Sunday. This will probably be later in the afternoon or evening Saturday and more towards Sunday. Then we have this colder air coming down from Canada, and it gets thicker as our plot thickens for our next cold front coming through. The first cold front, it has already passed us. The strongest cold front is yet to come. And again, we've got more of those blue triangles headed toward our viewing area. Overnight tonight, low temperatures near 39. That'll probably be just before sunrise. Mostly clear this evening, but then clouds appearing in the early morning hours. The winds will be at about 10 to 15 miles an hour tonight at times, but they will die down during the day parts tomorrow. Speaking of the day parts, let's take a look at Saturday's weather. We have a forecast high near 59 degrees. We have clouds and sun, times of clouds, times of sun. And we also have light winds appearing throughout the day. They won't be affecting our weather much at all. And again, it's just going to be a very pleasant fall day. And you can see that autumn blaze maple just a little bit in the background and up above here. It might be your last really good chance to see that because our weather will be drastically changing with high winds, getting rid of some of those leaves, and of course the temperatures, which we'll talk about in a moment. Futurecast, we're looking high up in the sky to the clouds, and we do see a possibility for some rainfall, possibly even some showers and thunderstorms coming through the entire viewing area, beginning around, well, actually could begin right after sunset and then intensify a little bit as we move toward the evening and early morning hours. And what's this? The colors blue, purple, and then even a little bit of pink. This is potential ice. It's going to be very dependent upon the temperature in the northern portion of our viewing area. Most people will probably just see maybe a few snowflakes in the affected areas up in the air, probably nothing much on the ground. And then things will clear off and we'll have clouds in and out again, but it will be mostly sunny, we believe, on Sunday. In fact, the wind will be a big factor, pushing out those clouds, but the winds are going to be from the northwest and fairly intense at times. This will take our temperatures down. High temperatures only near 37 on Sunday and 38 degrees on Monday. And here are the wind projections. This is for Sunday morning. You see, again, winds from the northwest. That brings in cold air, nothing but cold air. And we've got the same situation again Monday. And that may last actually further, including into Tuesday and Wednesday. This is our extended forecast for the 7 days, and we hope that the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month will be a better one for our veterans after this basic 48-hour period of cold in east central Illinois.